All right, let's see if you have Git on your machine or not. And if yes, what version you have installed. To do this, you have to open a terminal or a command prompt window. If you're on Mac, press Command and space and then type terminal. If you're on Windows, click the search icon on the bottom navigation bar and type CMD. So here's my terminal or console window. Your terminal window might look different. It doesn't matter. This is where we're going to execute Git commands. So let's look at the version of Git on this machine. We type git -- version. So on this machine, I'm using Git version 2.19.2, but the latest version at the time of recording this video is 2.27.0. So I highly encourage you to download and install the latest version. Just head over to git-scm.com/downloads. Over here, you can find instructions for installing Git on different operating systems. It's really easy. You're not going to have any problems. Now, if you're on Windows, once you install Git, you're going to get this application called Git Bash, which is short for Born Again Shell. This is basically a command prompt window, like this one over here, but it emulates Unix or Linux environments. So throughout this course, I encourage you to use Git Bash instead of the built-in command prompt window. So what you see on the screen looks closer to what I'm going to show you in this course. So go ahead and install Git. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to customize our Git environment.